Hey everyone, it's Josh from the Crazy Sibs, and I'm doing Hiccup vlog part 2.
Hey, you can't see Junior.
Yeah, see me. I'm doing the Hiccup vlog.
I thought Hiccup vlog too.
I got hiccups. I got hiccups again. And this time they're real. Well, they're real on Hiccup vlog part 1, but so I got a new member of the Crazy Sibs, Cass Jr. to host this with me.
Junior, the friendly Frenchman.
Yeah, I got hiccups again. Hope this video gets big.
I have hiccups too. I'm the cute little Frenchman.
Cause usually all my hiccup videos do. I got bad hiccups. Yeah, I guess let's talk about stuff I did today. But
Just know he's a lab mixed with Dalmatian.
for breakfast we had. For breakfast I had eggs and toast. Last night we watched The Animal.
Sherry made them.
It was really fun. Like that movie. We're putting up the Christmas tree, and we're gonna show it to you guys when we're finished.
Yeah.
And we're
Maybe
gonna,
you can see us decorating it.
yeah, let's show us decorating it.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna show the same thing over there at our mother's. So
Junior, good dog.
that video will also be
Oh
here.
wait, now you can't even see.
That video will also be here today. So don't miss us putting up our Christmas tree and decorating it. It'll be a video response.
It's not our Christmas tree, it's Sherry.
It'll be
Don't forget to comment.
it'll
And this cute dog.
yeah, subscribe and comment for this cute little dog and
Who wants your
Josh,
heart?
our Christmas tree, it's Sherry.
Sarah. Sorry, we all know Sarah, of course.
I'm very angry.
Sarah, do you want to be in our most viewed video? Make a vlog. Just a cameo.
Love you. Oh, love you, love
Sorry.
you, love you.
And we got our big screen TV.
Oh, and our dog Babe is here.
Yeah, she's outside, I think.
No, I think she might be downstairs.
So yeah, we'll film Babe. She'll probably make cameos while we're putting up the trees. Same with Junior, the friendly Frenchman.
And now it's time for fashion with Sarah. Look at these socks I got from Hot Topic.
Sarah, it's not special with Sarah.
It's okay. It's okay. And she's got some pretty cute
Jack,
jeans.
Jack
What
Jr.
do you call those?
Jeans.
Jeans.
And I got like this black sweater. I don't know if I stole it from my mom or not. If I did, I'm sorry, Mom. It's really cute on me though. And I got a chain you can't really see. And some makeup and some purple hair, and that's it.
So, do you have any advice to people who are trying to find their inner fashion?
Just be who you really are. Don't try to follow some trend or whatever.
Oh, Sarah, shut up.
It's true.
Yeah.
And so, Becca, what kind of style do you have? None.
PJs.
Yeah, no style.
My PJs is my
Oh,
style.
what?
No style.
This is another video of my PJs, or pajamas, however you want to call it.
Oh,
Hey,
so
I like
you,
the dress.
I'm the one who doesn't have style.
I wear this flag
And I was
to
totally
show that I care for my country, and all you are
And
wearing,
shut up.
all you are wearing is pink. What do you want to call
Puppy
it?
dogs on it.
That's
Yeah.
it. There's some puppy dogs, but I wish Junior was on the front.
Junior says I don't want to be on the weakest shit unless you want.
Junior, you love me? Remember
So,
when
yeah.
you put down licking
Alright
my
guys,
face?
This is us.
I'm sorry, but I need to vacuum this part.
Okay, so I guess.
That part. That'll work.
Okay, and here's bed.
Oh, they're big!
Yeah, I think you just saw her
You
butt.
didn't get me like this on there. Did
No,
you?
no, they didn't see you.
No, they didn't see you. They said that I'll be sure to tell you.
I got hiccups and I had to do this video. Sorry for the interruption. Okay,
Guys,
so yeah, this is the
What?
Crazy Sibs and we are.
That chair
Are you
from
going
out
bathroom
there.
up here? Yeah.
Okay.
So if you
Yeah,
want
let's
to
wait
go
for
back
another
that
hiccup.
way. Come on, Josh. Let's go
over
over here.
with Daddy back.
Okay, bye.